Let's explore how metrics help understand system and application behavior over time. The overview page can be customized by creating new views and adding dashboards that highlight the metrics you care about. This makes it easy to organize key signals in one place. Dashboards provide a curated view of key metrics across your system. Let's look at infrastructure metrics using host metrics dashboards. Host metrics dashboards help you understand how your infrastructure behaves at the system level. The table view summarizes metrics per host and makes it easy to spot differences. From the table view, you can drill down into a specific row to open a grid dashboard for that host. You can also switch between table and grid views using the Grid tab. The grid view shows detailed charts across hosts in a time series format. Grid dashboards can be customized by editing, rearranging, or removing individual charts. If needed, the dashboard can be reset back to its original template. You can easily switch between different host-level dashboards, such as disks or file systems, to explore other aspects of system performance. For more flexibility, metrics can be explored interactively. Filters allow slicing metrics by attributes to narrow the analysis when needed. For example, let's click on a CPU-related metric. Metrics can be configured using aggregations, grouping, and filters. To make the data more meaningful, let's add a simple aggregation and grouping. This groups CPU time by process state, making it easier to see how time is spent. The visualization can be adjusted to better match your needs. Metrics help you move from high-level dashboards to detailed analysis, revealing patterns in resource usage and system behavior.